Hey everybody, it's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about scrap yarn balls. If you have tons of these and you don't know what to do with them, just like me, I'm going to show you 16 different things that you can do with these that are pretty brilliant. Some of these I never even heard of, so let's get right into it. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because only 20% of you guys who watch my channel are subscribed. So definitely you don't want to miss out on what I come up with next because I'm always doing pattern roundups and we have a fun time here on this channel. So definitely hit that subscribe button. Okay, so this first one is a bookmark and it's a Pom Pom bookmark. And this isn't going to take very much yarn at all. And if you know how to make a pom pom, it's super easy. It's just a pom pom and a chain and it's brilliant. And this would make a great gift for any book lover and a great stocking stuffer. So, Christmas is coming and I think that this would be a great addition to any stocking. It's super easy to do. And there is instructions on how to do it even. So definitely go check this one out. Okay, and this next one, there's no pattern needed for this. This is just an idea. You just get one of those a basket and you put it out, hang it on a tree, and you put little scraps of yarn into it, and they're for the birds to go make a nest out of. How sweet is that? That is such a sweet idea because they're always picking up trash and everything anyways to make these nests, and then now they can have a beautiful, colorful nest with, I mean, yes, it is technically trash, but I feel like it's better than like a piece of plastic that they're going to be going to use. So I thought this was a really sweet idea and I had to include it because I honestly have never heard of this and I loved it. Okay, and this is such a clever idea. These are like little pom pom monsters, and I guess they just make a pom pom. I'm gonna assume maybe there's sticky backs on the eyes or just glue them on, and they look like some little pipe cleaners they put on the top. They're just so adorable. Honestly, I feel like you can make all of this stuff from like the dollar store. You can get all of this from the dollar store and make it super easy. It's just such a cute idea. I love this. I'm not sure. I probably wouldn't sell these because of the googly eyes, but this would be great to like give to your little kid or something, or even just like have it at your checkout stand or just even on your desk or something at work. It's adorable. Okay, and I have never seen anything like this. This little bird is so cute. I think it's absolutely brilliant. I really love this idea. It would make a great ornament for your tree or even like a card charm. So if there's like a certain bird that you love, you could probably do it in different colors or whatever. But I really do like this. It is so clever. I love this idea. I've never seen anything like this, and it is so sweet looking. Okay, and this is also a very cute idea. It's called like a yarn doll. It is so adorable though. I've never seen anything like this. You can do it in all kinds of different colors. They look like little fairies and crazy little hair. And you could turn these into like, again, a card charm or an ornament or maybe even a keychain. I don't know. I loved this idea. I thought it was so cute. If you know someone who would love this, put it in their stocking for this Christmas. This is in a video, and when you click on the link, it is going to be at the end of the video where she shows you how to make this. And I am not sure what to think, but I do think it is a very clever idea. I have no idea what you would use this bowl for. I'm sure most of us have seen people like blow up a balloon and glue the yarn to it and dry it. Same kind of concept. I just don't know what you would use this yarn bowl for. So if you make this, or if you have any ideas what you would use it for, I mean, I guess you could just throw your keys in there because at the end it's going to be all hard. So maybe keys or something. So I thought it was clever. Like I said, it's a clever idea. Had to share it. Okay, and this is a great idea to hold your balls of yarn. I mean, I have these little totes, these little tubs back here. They're holding all my balls of yarn. But I mean, this is a great idea, great use for your yarn scraps to hold your yarn scraps. So I think it's great. And I think that they probably double up on the yarn. I'm not sure. It's kind of what it looks like to me, but you can make it look however you want. And you could honestly use this basket for anything. You didn't have to use it for yarn. You could use it for like paper towels or something, or not paper towels, but like rags for your bathroom or something, anything. I think it's a cute idea. So you could definitely just go make a basket. Okay, and these next two or three pictures I'm going to show you, there is no pattern for this. And I honestly think there's not really a pattern that's needed. You could just crochet a big rectangle and fold it and make it into a purse. But the thing I thought was really clever about these is that when you do your color changes and you tie the knot, you just leave the string out. And so instead of sewing them all together, you just leave it. Tie it and leave it. And I thought that was such a good look. I mean, look at this next one too, the blue one. That's so cute. They're so unique and different looking. And when I saw this, I was like, what? And I thought it was just such a cute and clever idea for just to leave the little, like a hairy bag. I mean, I've never seen anything like this. It's so unique and I love it. And again, like I said, we've all seen them do, like around a balloon where they glue it together. But this lady took a heart balloon and made heart yarn light cases, I guess is what you would call them. They're decorative light cases for Valentine's Day. She made it into a heart. And I think that that'd be such a cute little idea. Great decoration for Valentine's Day to make your house look sweet and romantic. You could even turn them into like a garland. Ooh, and even maybe put some like twinkly lights up in there. That might be cute. Okay, and these are coasters and they are made out of pipe cleaners and you crochet around a pipe cleaner. And so I don't know if you've ever crocheted around a pipe cleaner or like a hair tie or whatever, but it's really not hard. I would think it makes them more sturdy for sure. And so maybe more pliable, bendable, I guess, or whatever, but definitely more sturdy. I never would have thought of that to use the pipe cleaner. And I think it's a pretty clever idea. And I really do love the look of this. It's spiral. I just thought it was a really smart idea. Okay, and this scarf, it's like a boho pattern, and you definitely will not get bored with this pattern. There's so much that looks like it goes into it. It looks like definitely like a fun pattern. And I love the look at the end of it. I feel like there's no right or wrong way to do this in any of the colors. It's gonna come out looking great. And this is a great idea for any pet lovers. So if you know anybody who has a dog or a cat that loves beds, definitely make them this little bed and you can stuff it with anything. You can even stuff it with yarn, or I've heard of some people like if the pet's owner passed away or something, you could stuff it with their old clothes and that way it has their scent. And so I thought that was a good idea. And Christmas is coming and this is a great way to use your extra scrappy yarn. Okay, and do you save your grocery bags? Here in Oregon, they had a bag ban, I want to say back in 2020. And so we don't use plastic bags here anymore in the state. So those are kind of non existent to me. But I used to save them for years. I saved them. So if you are someone who saves grocery bags, this is a great idea because you could just pull them out the bottom and it's great. I actually have something kind of like this and I put my loaf of bread in it so that it is off the counter and up on the wall and I see it and it's out of the way. But I thought this was a great idea for anybody who saves their plastic bags from the grocery store. Okay, and I never thought of this before, but you know, not all yoga mats come with a case or a strap. And so if yours doesn't, this would be a great thing to do. Or if you know somebody who is all into yoga and they're always carrying it back there, you know, with their water bottle and their bag or everything, this would be a great idea. And Christmas is coming. Like I said, these are a great idea for Christmas. And you could do it in so many different colors. Obviously, with the yarn scraps, it's going to look cute. I think my favorite out of all of these are going to be the one on the far right, the one with the dark yellow and black and purple. I really like those colors. Okay, and this is an awesome idea for anybody with hardwood floors. If you don't want your floors getting all scratched by your tables and your chairs, make them little socks. Isn't that adorable? I love it. These are super cute. I never thought of these, but how clever is that? And you could do them in whatever theme your kitchen is. I mean, imagine putting like little flowers on the bottom of them, like little sunflowers, and then the stalks are gonna be like the stem with leaves. Oh my god. Okay, I think that's a really cute idea. Somebody needs to do that. Okay, well, that was 16 different ways that you guys can use your scrappy balls of yarn, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to know if you guys used any of these ideas that I found and shared with you guys because I love them all. I could definitely see making my mom some sock chairs because she has beautiful hardwood floors in her house. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these, but I do definitely love having options now and ideas. I definitely love that purse with the hairy strings. I want to say that's probably my favorite. Anyways, I will see you guys next time and make sure that you are staying tuned. Definitely hit that like and subscribe button because I'm going to be coming out with great gift ideas because Christmas is coming. So I will see you guys next time. And remember, above all else, Jesus loves you. Bye.